Good morning, everybody. We're out here today again. No, it's been a while, but brought the telescope out today. We're going to try to get some pictures of the sun here. Not pictures, video of the sun here. If you got a telescope, I wouldn't suggest just whipping out your telescope and pointing it at the sun. That's kind of like pointing a high-powered magnifying glass at the sun and looking at it. So what you need is, if you are planning on doing that, go to Amazon and get something like this. It's called the solar filter. I paid like about maybe $8 to $10 for this little piece of paper. But it protects your equipment and your eye from the sun while you look at it. It kind of looks like this. Let me just grab the. Looks like that. Oh, I didn't even. Don't make fun of my makeshift thing to put it on my telescope here. Look, I wasn't buying a filter holder. It costs more than the actual filter itself. But yeah, the paper looks like this. When you look through it, it's black, but if you hold it up to the sun, you see how you can see the sun through it like that? That's what you want to do. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on a telescope and we're gonna try to get some video of the sun. No, right, so I got it on the telescope there. Yeah, you don't want to expose the whole telescope there, just the little eyepiece, the same little eyepiece I was using to get the moon during the day. So we're gonna do that and we're gonna see how it come out. Hopefully we can get some sunspots. That's what I really want to look at the sun for. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Don't mind me. It's hot out here. It's hot out here. After taking those sun videos, but after further reviewing my video, that last clip actually has something passing in front of the sun while I was videoing it. I'll zoom in and do a video of it right behind this.